Good morning, everyone, and Merry Christmas. We are at the Featherweight shop getting ready to give away this Blackside Featherweight. We did draw the name, and no, I don't have a big fishbowl full of names here. We actually use an app by Viral Sweep that just keeps track of all that for us. And so it did the entry. The winner had 29 entries, 29 chances to win that she had put in pretty much every day and shared and liked as well. I just had Christian give her a call, and if you can believe it, she didn't answer, so she must be working or something. But
hello, we are not available now. Please leave your name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
Good morning and Merry Christmas, Maureen. This is Christian Henry from the Featherweight shop. I'm calling to let you know that you have won our Singer Featherweight Blackside.
Anyway, the winner of this machine was Maureen Pierce from Arizona. And we're really excited for her. It's going to be a great Christmas present. We know that she'll love this one. It's a beautiful machine. And it's been a lot of fun for us to do this, this contest. So the other thing is some of you went way overboard on shares and likes and had a lot of fun with that. The winner for the second year in a row on that was Mara Hirschbaugh. And so Mara, we are giving you a Sew Steady table, this one here in black, or your choice. You could have the clear one as well. And anyway, so she went above and beyond with shares and likes and had lots of entries, lots of chances to win. So we want to reward her for that because that's a lot of fun. I'm sure it took a lot of effort. Now, also, we had a couple people that really did their best to compete with Mara, and so we wanted to just say thank you to them as well, and that was Tammy Slater and Jean Condon. And so we've got a gift bag here from the Featherweight shop for both of you, and we're hoping, we still got my fingers crossed, that Maureen will get the message we just left for her and call us back here in a few minutes. If not, she'll have quite the surprise when she gets home later today. But anyway, this has been a lot of fun. We at the Featherweight shop really appreciate your support, and we hope you all have a Merry Christmas.